This is the Zizzo folding bike, and I gave it a really good review and very pleased with it, but I haven't even owned it, I don't think, 2 weeks. Haven't ridden it all that much, and now it's developed a noise. I know a little bit about bikes, but I can't, and it's hard to trace down these noises, but I suspect that it might be the bottom bracket, which is bad news. Okay, now I'm going to ride it. Now it does that in all the gears, and it's at the 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock position. So it makes 2 loud noises every complete revolution. So that should be good enough.